Hello guys, RiderTech here. So Kawasaki just announced a new bike, the the Ninja 4 double R 400 double R. So basically, it's an inline 400 cc's, and it would rev to 16,000, yeah, RPMs. Some 70 horsepower claimed, I think, and it would slot right around the R7, the Hornet, in terms of the Hornet, not because it's a naked, but around the R7 and the Aprilia RS 660 in terms of power. It will be lighter than the R7, but heavier than the Aprilia. And the main thing is, a lot of people are complaining on the forums online because the bike is priced at $9,000. That's a little bit cheaper than Ninja 636 for the RR model, the one with quick shifter and stuff like that. So what's the real rider that Kawasaki is pointing at with the baby Ninja? Basically, they are pointing to the track day enthusiasts and the small cc enthusiasts that want an inline 4. I don't know if you noticed, guys, but there's not a lot of inlines at the middleweight category because they are expensive to make, and the parallel twins are here to stay because they have power where it matters, that's down low for the city. So the inline 4 era is gone for the middleweights, and as you can see, for most people, they either get a 1000 because the price is not that different from super sport in the 600s to 1000. All the technology is there, all the chassis, all the suspension, all the gizmos are there. So basically it's just a upgrade motor. So because of that, the market for those bikes is slowly dying, and people will tend to go for nakeds. And if you are not doing a lot of track days, or if you don't do track days, there's no point in a super sport for the day-to-day riding. You basically get uncomfortable for no reason. So why is Kawasaki doing that? So far, I think the bike has been announced for the American market and the Asian market, and I think Canadians also will get it, but the Canadian version will have less RPMs due to noise. And so far I haven't catch anything on the European market, but probably when this video goes up we will know something, but so far nothing. And the bike in Europe will probably also be limited due to emissions and noise. But my main point stands: the bike is not for everyone. It's a bike for a specific group of people that want a small cc bike with the inline 4 that revs, that screams, that engine that screams. A lot of people love that kind of engine, and basically they all already were clamoring for one when the baby 250 inline 4 was announced by Kawasaki. That's exclusive for the Asian market, and they wanted that bike, but it never came because doesn't make sense in Europe, where Europe or the United States, where bigger CCs are needed because the roads are better, the speed limits are higher, and there's not a lot of rules to impede the bigger CC bikes. In some Asian countries, the bigger the CC, the more you pay, or it's even illegal to own a bike like that. So that's the difference in law. But for so far, I see Kawasaki's move to upset the little track day toys, and to get some bikes in the category of the Ninja 400 for people to use as a track day weapon and as a small CC bike. It's really interesting what they did with the bike, because there was no what the hell, dude? Because before you had no alternative to get a bike like that. So that's it, guys. That's my take on the new Ninja 400 and what I think the baby Ninja is for. If you plan on getting one, tell me, because I would like to know why you choose that bike, because it has it will have only peak power. I'm very interested to know the first reviews of the bike, but I expect to have power bands way up high, and it will not beat an RS 660 in power to weight ratio. So it will be cheaper, yes, but I don't know. I don't get it. So if you guys have an opinion, please leave a like, comment, and please subscribe. And thank you for watching. See ya.